Hey everyone, so today we're talking about writing an equation given a graph. So let's look at this graph. So what we've done in the past, we had an equation and we wanted to write, and we want to graph the equation. So here we have the graph, but we want to write the equation. So if we look closely, if we remember correctly, we need two pieces. We needed the slope and we needed the y-intercept. Well, it's really easy to see the y-intercept. That's where we cross the y-axis. So that's 3. That point is 0, 3. And then as for slope, if we pick 2 points, we can pick another point. Maybe we can pick this one. We want to see how much we rise and how much we run. So how much should we go up and how much should we go to the right? So looks like here we go 1, 2, 3, 4 units, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to the right, 1, 2. So our slope is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And so now we see what our equation is. It's y equals 2x plus 3. Let's look at this example. So again, we need slope, which is our m, and then our y-intercept, which is our b. So the graph crosses the y-axis right here at 0, 2. So we know that's our y-intercept. And then if we pick another point, we can pick this one. We go down 1, 2 units, so minus 2. And we go to the right 1, 2 units, so positive 2. So our slope is negative 2 divided by 2, which is negative 1. Now remember, we don't usually write negative 1. We can, so we have y equals negative 1x plus 2, but the better way to write that would just be negative x plus 2. This is an equation where we have a horizontal line. I want you to notice everywhere on this line, our y value is 4, right? If we take any of the points, this is the point 4, 4. This is the point 6, 4. This is the point 2, 4. This is the point negative 2, 4. The y is the thing that stays the same. So our equation is y equals 4. It doesn't matter what the x's are, right? As long as the y is equal to 4. And whenever you have a horizontal line, you're always going to have a y equals equation. So for example, if I had this line, this is y equals 2. In this one, we see we have a vertical line. If we take all the points, let's pick some points. What's the thing that stays the same? This is negative 1, 0, negative 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 4. The thing that's staying the same is the x's. So our equation is x equals negative 1. If we had this line, this would be, if we look at all the points, this is 2, 4, this is 2, 2, this is 2, 0. The x is always 2, so this line would be x equals 2.